Nowadays, there is an increasing prevalence of chest pain in young adults. There is a common misconception where people think that heart disease is a disease of the old. Yes, that's true because after 60 years, whenever we see the blockages in the arteries of the heart, we call it age-related atherosclerosis, that is hardening of the arteries with the blockages. But now the problem is that we see the heart disease prematurely, especially in the economically productive age group of 25 to 45 years. There has been increasing number of patients. This is because of the hectic lifestyles, irregular sleep, there is lot of job related stress also, and also habits like smoking. There is an increasing number of young adults in our clinic presenting with chest pain, and this video is about sharing and guiding them on how to approach their chest pain. Very often chest pain is also leading to a lot of scare and overdiagnosis, and we see people even go to the extent of angiographies without actually getting into the lifestyle and the root cause. We had a case of Mr. Pawar, who was a marketing executive, who had come down to us with chest pain which consistently happened even after coming normal angiography. On history, I found out that his mother had recently expired and he was in deep grief. We had another case who started getting palpitations, another young person of 26-year-old IT professional. And when I took history, I found that his mother had died of heart attack, and he had a fear that he too will get a heart problem because even he had lost his father because of the heart problem. And I think these worries are quite genuine because heart disease also has a genetic component. But IPC here is to guide you that do not get worried or have fears. Choose the correct lifestyle and get it diagnosed early and right. Whenever there is a chest pain, there are the basic tests which are done like the lipid profile, the ECG, lipoprotein, homocysteine, especially the genetic markers, treadmill, the echos, and after that we get into the complete day-to-day events which are occurring in the life of these patients. And we have seen very successful results that when they manage their lifestyles, they are having very much improvement in their symptoms too, and chest pain is totally gone. Another thing which I would like to share about the young adults is that because of wrong lifestyle, very often they have got high levels of lipid profile, that is the cholesterol, and they are put on lifelong medications, which is like right from the age of 25. Imagine taking for next 40-50 years of cholesterol and blood thinners and all. At IPC, we have got preventive cardiology program for these young adults to help them change their lifestyle, diagnose the disease early, and also remove all the fears and misconceptions related to heart problems. See, dear friends, we die one day. There is no point dying every moment in fear. So let's not fear heart disease. Let's know more about it. And heart disease can be prevented, and prevention is the only vaccination. Know more about it on www.ipc-india.org. Thank you.